What's up YouTube? This is Elijah here, and I'm the founder of the app Lifestyle, a one-stop shop for all things rideshare and delivery alike. And if you've clicked on this video, you are looking for some Ubereats training. Look no further because this is it, and I'm going to give it to you. You may be wondering, well, who is this guy and what qualifies him to give Ubereats training? Now, I've been doing Ubereats for about 1.5 years, and I don't do any other delivery apps. No Postmates, DoorDash, none of that stuff. I have a backup app, Postmates, but that's only when Ubereats is down. So I notice things that a lot of people on YouTube don't notice because they're doing 500 apps at once. I just do Ubereats, and this has caused me to master everything about it. Ranging from the algorithm, which pairs restaurants to customers to you. That's the combined glue that makes it your delivery experience. I go through the nuts and bolts of that in the Ubereats course. I also show how the customer app can be used to give you an advantage in seeing what kind of order you'll get with Ubereats, as well as what the customer sees on their end, so you know how to look like a professional when you're making your delivery. In addition to this, I offer a What If Ubereats series where there are scenarios we bump into. It's not really officially part of the training, but you may find yourself in that situation. What do you do? Let's say if a restaurant forgot an item or the customer forgot to put in some information. This series teaches you how to handle those scenarios in the most efficient way possible. And for those of y'all that are really thirsty for information, there's even the Ubereats Advanced course that goes into the extreme nuts and bolts on how to stay between the range of $11 and $18 an hour going with Ubereats. All this information you won't really pick up unless you focus just on Ubereats, not doing multiple apps. Luckily for you, I've taken the time to do that for the past 1.5 years, and I can offer it to you at the exclusive sweet price of $0. It's free here on YouTube, so when this video ends, you just want to click on the playlist and it can get you officially started. You can master the Ubereats algorithm, master the customer app, and know everything to do in any scenario when it comes to Ubereats. In this way, you can conquer the Ubereats environment and make the most money in the least amount of time in your city and market. So without further ado, I look forward to speaking to you further. Enjoy the playlist and Ubereats and Uber on. Let's get started.